Do you know the most technological fire truck? Luxembourg Jaguar 606 is an airport fire rescue vehicle launched by the Austrian Luxembourg Group. After 30 years, it has become the benchmark for airport fire trucks around the world. The body is 11.5 meters long, 3 meters wide, and has a fully loaded total weight of about 33 tons. It can accelerate from 0 to 80 kilometers in no more than 31 seconds. The vehicle is equipped with a 12L 500-liter water tank and a 1E500-liter foam tank, with a maximum flow rate of over 9,000 liters per minute and a spray distance of up to 100 meters to the opposite shore. How do you think it performed?